In this demo, we'll show how SoothGPT can make sense of complex energy data to help prioritize renewable projects and allocate resources more effectively. By combining insights from project feasibility metrics and regional resource availability, SoothGPT provides practical recommendations that align with Vision 2030 goals. This dataset contains detailed information on renewable energy project proposals, including costs, energy output, environmental impact, and strategic alignment to evaluate their feasibility and prioritize funding decisions. The second dataset provides resource and infrastructure metrics for Saudi Arabia's 13 regions, including solar irradiance, wind speeds, land availability, and grid connectivity, to identify optimal locations for renewable energy development. Let us first analyze the Renewable Energy Project Feasibility Dataset. It synthesizes multiple project metrics such as cost effectiveness, environmental benefits, and alignment with Vision 2030 goals. Take a look at how it ranked the top projects and generated a clear recommendation report tailored for decision-making at the ministerial level. Next, let us ask SoothGPT to evaluate regional data to determine the optimal location for a large-scale wind energy project. By factoring in wind speeds, land availability, and grid infrastructure, it generates an insightful rationale to guide infrastructure planning. This complex prompt asks SoothGPT to combine datasets and match a project to the most suitable region. The result demonstrates how regional energy potential aligns with project requirements, ensuring efficient resource allocation and strategic planning.